Hey there, I'm a DIY track guy. This is my humble garage, and today I embrace my inner rice boy. Hey, if you're enjoying the content, please subscribe, like, notification bell, drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. It's all free, and it really does help. First up's this thing, a bridge shift boot to match the door cards and the seat when I have it in. And that means we need to remove the center console again, and we know how to do this blindfolded. And over here on the workbench, let's remove this plastic piece that holds the shift boot in place. And this is a really nice leather unit with red stitching that fits perfectly onto this trim piece, right into these retaining clips on the sides. The new shift boot's not of this quality. Now that we got this new Ricey shift boot on, let's install a new Ricey shift knob to match. I just got this off of Amazon and it comes with these 3 plastic thread adapters. This one looks about right. And there we go, shift knob installed. It would have been nice if this shift boot collar could somehow clip to the bottom of the shift knob, but it doesn't. Life's not perfect, oh well. And the last thing to do to round out our interior rice burner mods is to install this wooden handbrake handle. It kind of matches my 330mm wooden Nardi steering wheel, so all we got to do here is pop off this plastic guy. From what I understand from other videos, to get this off easily, we should use some lubrication. At the risk of pounding this thing into oblivion and completely destroying it, why don't we just stop there? It'd be nice if the button protruded a little bit more from the end of the handbrake. But I can't operate it, so that's good. And the last thing to round out my Mazda Miata interior mods is this handbrake booty thing. This is the leather one that I took off earlier that was installed by the previous owner. I traced this out onto the scrap Brid fabric that we had left over from the door card. Then using my grade 7 home economics sewing skills, I did this and put it there. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Is this treasure or trash? Honestly, I don't know how this is helping.